In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom right corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select audio at the top. Click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your audio files and hit select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, do exactly the same, just this time tap on videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!